Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this, it means you're ready to secure the bag, but maybe you want to do it on your own terms. Maybe you have a busy house during the day. Maybe you're a student, or maybe like me, you just find that your brain works best when the rest of the world is quiet. Today, I've done the research for you. I'm sharing 10 quiet remote jobs you can do at night. Most of these require no degree, no previous experience, and best of all, they are all hiring globally, including wherever you are in Africa. No more 9 to 5 stress, just you, your laptop, and your goals. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button and join the family. We're all about financial freedom. Alright, let's get into job number 1. The first one on the list is chat moderator. Think about all those big on gaming forums or customer help chats. They need someone to keep the conversation safe and helpful 24/7. Since it's night for you, it's usually peak time for someone on the other side of the world. Check out companies like Modcode or Bele. It's all typing, no talking, perfect for a quiet house. Number 2 is data entry specialist. I call it the classic. Companies have massive amounts of information that needs to be organized in spreadsheets or databases. It's repetitive, it's quiet, and it's very peaceful to do at 2 a.m. with some low-fi music in your ears. Look at sites like Clickworker or Amazon Mechanic Top, popularly known as MTop, to start getting small tasks tonight. Number 3 is the chat-based support. Many US or UK-based tech companies need people to answer customer questions via live chat while their local team is sleeping. Because you're in a different time zone, you're their perfect daytime solution. You don't need to have a fancy office, just a stable internet connection. Job number 4 is AI prompt evaluator. Besties, you know I love AI. Companies like OneFormer or Outlier are constantly looking for people to teach AI how to talk better. You'll be given a prompt, look at the AI response and correct it. It pays well because it requires focus and nighttime is the best time for deep work. No degree needed, just good English skills. Number 5 is transcription. This is simple. You listen to audio files and type out what you hear. Sites like Rev or Transcribe Me are great places to start. It's the ultimate quiet job because you literally have to wear headphones to do it. Number 6 is being a virtual assistant for a client in a different time zone. If you're in Nigeria, for instance, and your client is in Los Angeles, their 9 a.m. is your 5 p.m. You can handle their emails, schedule their posts, and organize their life while the sun goes down in your city. Category number 3 is the high-level hidden roles. And that leads us to job number 7, proofreader and editor. If you're the type of person who catches every typo in a text message, this is for you. Authors, bloggers, and businesses need their content checked before it goes live. It's high-value work that you can do entirely on your own schedule. Number 8 is a search evaluator. Search engines like Google or Bing need real humans to tell them if their search results actually make sense. It's flexible, it's remote, and companies like Appen are always looking for global talent. Number 9 is social media content moderator. You know how some comments on big pages just disappear? That's a content moderator at work. You spend your shift making sure people are following the community rules. It's interesting work and very quiet. And finally, number 10, copywriting. Writing ads, emails, or captions. Creativity often hits differently at night. If you can write words that sell, you can charge a premium and you never have to hop on a single phone call. Now, before you go and apply, here is my biggest tip for my besties. Optimize your CV for remote work. Don't just say you can do the job. Show them you have a quiet workspace and a reliable power setup. That is what international companies want to hear. Also, check out Wise or Payoneer for receiving your payments. They are much more friendlier for people in Africa. Which of these 10 jobs sounded like the perfect fit for you? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. If you found this helpful, Please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow so I can keep making this for you. I believe in you, besties. Go get the bag. I'll see you in the next video.